Wait! You've been told a lie. Bitcoin is not cryptocurrency. Here's why. Cryptocurrency isn't one coin. It's an entire world. It's an entire world. Bitcoin is one coin inside that world. Think of it like one tree with thousands of branches. Banks control money. Banks control money. Bitcoin doesn't. No company owns it. Everyone protects it. Only 21 million. That's the secret.
Money can be printed. Bitcoin can't.
Who created Bitcoin? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. In 2009, everything changed. No bank. Just people. Every payment joins the chain. Change the record? Almost impossible. Almost impossible.
They solve puzzles. They earn Bitcoin.
So why is Bitcoin valuable? Because it's scarce. Because it's scarce. Rare things become valuable.
More money, less value. Less value.
Ever wonder why prices keep rising? Governments print. Bitcoin doesn't. Gold protects wealth. Bitcoin does it digital. Bitcoin does it digitally. Even billion-dollar companies buy Bitcoin. Price moves fast. That's volatility. Fear sells. Patience wins. Every 4 years, new Bitcoin gets cut in half. Less supply. More demand.
Prices explode. That's a bull market. That's a bull market.
Prices fall. That's a bear market. Panic loses. Discipline wins. Meet the whales. They move markets. They move markets. Now you know, Bitcoin isn't crypto. It's part of crypto. Isn't crypto. Gold ruled yesterday. Bitcoin challenges tomorrow. Biggest mistake? Buying with emotions. Small steps. Big results. Follow logic. Follow logic. Not fear. The journey is just beginning. One lesson can change everything. Remember this: Bitcoin is not crypto. Bitcoin is not crypto. It's part of crypto.
Bitcoin stores value. Ethereum builds. Solana moves fast.
You've seen three. Thousands still exist.
New mysteries. New money lessons. Every week. Like, subscribe, stay curious.
Curiosity builds knowledge. Knowledge builds wealth. Pooh. See you in the next mystery.